मैं डॉक्टर ओपी शर्मा, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, SCRS गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज सवाई माधोपुर, BSc पार्ट थर्ड मैथमेटिक्स स्टूडेंट्स को अपने कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर पढ़ा रहा हूँ। आज का जो टॉपिक है वह है कॉन्जुगेट कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर। जैसा कि फिगर 1 में दर्शाया गया है, लेट z इक्वल टू x प्लस आयोटा y बी ए कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, then x minus iota y to be denoted by z bar is called the conjugate number, conjugate complex number of z. This show that the complex conjugate of z1 plus z2 is z1 bar plus z2 bar. Complex conjugate of z1 z2 equal to x1 plus iota y1 into x2 plus iota y2 bar. This is equal to x1 x2 minus y1 y2 plus iota x1 y2 plus x2 y1 का whole bar. This is equal to x1 x2 minus y1 y2 minus of iota x1 y1 plus x2 y1. This is equal to x1 minus iota y1 into x2 minus iota y2. This is equal to z1 bar into z2 bar. Hence, if we denote any complex number z as xy, then z bar equal to x plus x minus iota y. This is equal to x and minus of y. In polar coordinates, z equal to r cos of theta plus iota sin of theta, and z bar equal to r cos of minus theta plus iota sin of minus theta. Here we change theta by minus of theta. So, if polar coordinates of z are r and theta, those of z bar are r minus of theta. Geometrically, as evident by the figure, z and z bar are the symmetrically situated about the real axis OX as given in figure. Then z bar is also called as the image or reflection of z in the real axis. Evidently, modulus of z equal to modulus of z bar equal to r equal to root of x square plus y square, and amplitude of z equal to minus of amplitude of z bar. This is equal to theta. Further also, z and z bar equal to 2 real of z, and z minus z bar equal to 2 iota imaginary of z. As x plus iota y equal to z and x minus iota y equal to z bar, we have x equal to half of z plus z bar and y equal to 1 by 2 iota z minus z bar. Now dot and cross product. Let z1 equal to x1 plus iota y1. This is equal to x1 y1, and z2 equal to x2 plus iota y2. This is equal to x2 y2. Be two complex numbers, which is vectors. The dot product, also called the scalar product of z1 and z2, is defined by z1 O z2. This is equal to modulus of z1 modulus of z2 cos of theta. This is equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2. This is equal to real of z1 bar z2 equal to half of z1 bar Z2 plus Z1 Z2 bar, where theta is angle between Z1 and Z2, lying in between 0 and pi. Also, the cross product of Z1 and Z2 is defined by Z1 into Z2 equal to modulus of Z1 modulus of Z2 sine of theta. This is equal to x1 y2 minus x2 y1, which is equal to imaginary part of Z1 bar Z2. This is equal to 1 by 2 iota Z1 bar Z2 minus Z1 Z2 bar. Evidently, Z1 bar Z2 equal to real of Z1 bar Z2 plus iota imaginary of Z1 bar Z2, which is equal to Z1 O Z2 plus iota Z1 cross Z2, which is equal to Z modulus of Z1 bar modulus of Z2 E iota theta equal to modulus of Z1 modulus of Z2 E iota of theta, E theta iota. If it is to be noted that Z1 and Z2 are perpendicular, then Z1 O Z2 equal to 0. If Z1 and Z2 are parallel, then Z1 cross Z2 equal to 0. Third one is magnitude of projection of Z1 on Z2, which is equal to modulus of Z1 over Z2 over modulus of Z2. Fourth one is area of a parallelogram having side Z1 and Z2 is modulus of Z1 cross Z2. Thank you.